Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Portfolio investors have piled back into petroleum futures and options at the fastest rate for more than 2 years, as concerns about a global business cycle downturn have eased. Signature Bank will not handle transactions of less than $100,000 for crypto exchange customers, according to a statement from exchange giant Binance. The crypto-friendly bank has been reducing its involvement in digital asset markets in recent weeks, part of the ongoing fallout from recent crypto industry debacles. In a bid to improve the build quality of its interiors, Tesla will install new robots that will inspect the fit and finish. It has been adequate at best over the years, and although there have been a lot of improvements as time has gone by, there are still issues, and Tesla seems to be fully aware of this.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US Red Book Index at 1355 GMT. The US 52-week bill auction at 1630 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.